Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share this project with you that I've been working on. They're just embellishments that I've been making with my seed beads. I do have a lot of seed beads that I have and that I like to make jewelry and that with. And so I decided to incorporate the two with the paper crafts and the jewelry. And there's lots of videos out there showing that. So I'm just going to share with you what I created here. And if you'd like to see a tutorial on it, just let me know. But what I did was I took these two dies and I cut out two different colors. I also used vellum as well. So the centerpiece, I took a hole punch and put it in the center. And then I just fed the string through the center and I wrapped it around, like put the seed beads on, wrap it around, and then I put another set of seed beads on and then I wrap it around and it come back up through the hole. So it was just like you're sewing, right? So, and then you just went around the whole thing. And then I tied everything off onto the back and then I glued it down with the backing. So you'll see on this one, you can see how I did the back. Okay, so you can make this as a cute little embellishment. I started with this one first with the gold, and I put the white and I put a little bit of green in the center. Now this was with string, embroidery string, so it was kind of like this stuff here. Yeah, but that's just not cool. I don't like that at all. So then I moved on to this thread that I got at Walmart. And it's that glitter type thread. I think you can use it in your sewing machine and that, but so I started using that as I moved on. This one is actually with embroidery string as well. So then I moved on to the white and tried it that way. And then I figured I need to try and use the tinier seed beads that I have. So that's how I created, I started with this one. And I kept the paper the same for a little bit here. And then I put two gold seed beads, and then I followed it with 6 pink color seed beads. And then that's how I got my little ring with the gold in the center. And then at the end, I took just one seed bead and put it in the center just to have it as the center part of the flower. So then there was that one. And then I moved on, did the same thing. Actually, this one was before this one because I didn't have the gold in the center. So the 2 gold seed beads. So I just did a cluster of green in the center. And then I switched over and said, well, I'd like to make the centerpiece with some gold in it, then some green in that. So I decided that I was going to do 2 strands of seed beads. One side is pink and one side is purple. And you can see the gold around the center with the green. I thought that was really super cute. And then I changed the pattern of the flower. So instead of matching the flower, the petals together, I decided to, alternate them so that it looked a little different. So I thought that was really nice. And then the last one that I did was this one. So this is 3 strands. And I did again the same thing with the gold and the 2 seed beads first and then followed by whatever color. So I chose the lighter pink and I did this one. So I did 2 on each one and then I put a 3rd one on top of it. And that's how I created that. So it's nothing really sticking out on the back or anything like that. So it turns out really, really nice. And I just love the color. It's so soft. But I wanted to share with you, that's what I was working on the last little bit. And I'm thinking about trying making maybe a little bit smaller or changing what I'm using as a die cut. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit here. And I think the pandemic has really got me, engaging with all the stuff that I have in stock instead of buying some stuff. But I do have some projects that are coming up. That I will be doing and I am working on, so hopefully I'll be able to share those with you soon. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all doing well and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.